Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the rock on hand sign from Trolls. So let's get started. To draw this hand sign, let's first start by working on the thumb. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve going slightly up. It's going to go just slightly upwards, and then it's going to start to come down and round it off nice and wide, and then bring it down because these are troll hands, right? So that's the first curve that we're aiming to draw. It's just a thumb, and then from there we're going to come right here about this area and we're going to draw the finger that's tucked in. So but right here is kind of like drawing an oval. Just going to come up a little bit. About right there, so about the same thickness. Come down and tuck it right under here. So we got those two fingers in, and then now we can go ahead and work on the index finger that's pointed out. So let's come about right here. I'm just going to come give myself a little point right here, and from here I'm going to go up. A slight angle, and I'm going to bring down a curve coming back into this area. So about, let me go a little bit taller, not much, and then just bring it right back down and tuck it in. So then from there we can go ahead and draw the pinky finger now. So it's going to be at the same area, so about right here, and we're going to go up. And this time it's going to be a little bit shorter. So say about right here, and round it off and bring it down. So pretty much the same level on both sides. Then from there, let's come over here and we're going to draw a curve around our thumb. And then on this side, it's going to be a little bit flatter, not as round. And we're just going to do the same thing. So bring it back down to about the same level. So then let's come back here and we're going to bring it in even more. So say about right there, under the thumb. And same thing on the other side. So from about right there, I'm going to start to draw the wrist. So I'm going to start to bring it down and straighten it out. So this side, you can just give it a little straighten out line too. And the reason I'm making this side shorter is because I'm going to draw the bracelet. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve that goes all the way back up. And you just give a little tuck right there. And right here, it's a bigger tuck over here, a little curve. And then we're going to go straight, a slight angle for our first bracelet. So same thing over here, we're just following that angle. And then from there, before I finish this bracelet, I'm going to come out here again and draw another bracelet. So this bracelet is a little bit more slanted down. So we're just going to end about right there for now. And then let's finish off this bracelet first. So I'm going to come back in here and finish out the curve. And then remembering this is our wrist, we're just going to come down, and whatever space you have left, just draw in a straight line. And then once again, let's continue another bracelet. So give it a little curve right there, curve. So I'm just kind of following the bracelet that's on the poster for Poppy. So same right there, we're going to do the same thing again. So go across, and then once again, before I stop, I have another bracelet I need to draw. So it's coming down with the wrist right here, I'm going to come once again around and going back up. And curve it and down. So then I can just go ahead and finish this. So if you're not comfortable staggering and making these bracelets topsy-turvy, you can just go ahead and just draw them nice and straight across the wrist, much easier. So then I'm going to just follow that angle. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. There. Okay, so then I'm just going to go ahead and finish this slight angle out. Same thing over here. And that is pretty much it. And so if you want to, you can come in here and decorate the bracelets. So say like this one, just kind of following once again what she has on the poster. So this one has a lot of brilliant colors. And this one's filled with sprinkles. So I'm just going to draw some sprinkles randomly, different angles. And then this one here, let's give it a pattern. So I'm just going to go right across on each one. And let's see here. Just some crisscross. And of course, before I go, let's add a heart about right here. To finish it off. So there, hope you loved this rock and roll hand sign and I was able to make it easy for you to follow along and draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.